Hello, hi, and welcome you all to my channel Kerala GSB Konkani Dishes. And today we will be seeing how to prepare Jeevo bimuku ukkalolo. Now, bimuku is Konkani word for peanut. So, Jeevo bimuku ukkalolo is boiled raw peanuts. Now, this is a delicious and easy to prepare snack that is healthy and nutritious, and it goes well with tea or coffee, especially during a rainy season. It's very tasty to have it along with tea and coffee. Okay. Now, if I have used the shelled peanuts, that is those having the hard outer shell. You can even use the raw peanuts available in the market. Coming to the ingredients, you need 2 cups of raw peanut, that is hard outer shell removed. Half teaspoon red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, a pinch of asafoetida and salt to taste. So remove the hard outer covering of the peanuts. Wash the peanuts. Add chili powder, turmeric powder, asafoetida and salt and mix well. Them to the separator of the pressure cooker. Pressure cook as follows. You need not have to add water to the peanuts, but you have to add water into the cooker vessel. Then cover it. After 1 whistle, simmer and keep for 5 minutes. Remove from the cooker after it cools down. Your boiled raw peanuts or cooked raw peanuts, it is ready to be served. Serve it warm along with tea or coffee. And one tip I would like to say for this dish is, if you are using raw peanuts available in the market, that is those without the hard outer covering, then first soak the peanuts overnight and then continue with the procedure mentioned above. Thank you for watching my channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.